All right, back here at Post Canyon, about to start on the climbing trail El Dorado. Started down at the Family Man parking lot down this road. Just climbed the road up to this point. There's some stuff off to the right there, but on the left side of the road is this climbing trail El Dorado. I hate climbing, but I'll keep you guys on for a little bit. All right, so on El Dorado, still hit this road. Trail comes up right here to the left, continues on this way. Still on this for a while. There's another road crossing you'll come to, and then there's just a little bit more climbing after that road crossing if you start going downhill from there at Three Blind Mice. Alright, still in El Dorado. Made it to the second road crossing. Trail again, very obvious right across the way. Trail keeps climbing here. We're almost to the start of Three Blind Mice and Two Chair. They're just at that clearing over there, those trees over there after the clearing. Gonna get there, look at maps, and then maybe do a little bit more climbing to hit the, I think it's called Dirt Surfer. We'll see when we get up there. Finishing up the last of El Dorado. Gonna get to the start of some trails over here. And here we are. There's a weird intersection right back there, four-way. I came on the trail that just goes straight through. I've come onto a different one that's the first right. I think this trail that I'm on, this is 130. Yeah. Use the mountain bike project app. Makes it really easy out here. All right, so came off the 130, took a right back under Reardon Hill Road. Just go straight for a little bit, then hooks to the left. Gonna keep following it up. Eventually hit the start of Dirt Surfer. All right, still on this road climb. Think we're getting close. Should be a split off on the left. Yeah, 1009. So hopefully almost there. We'll see. All right, this is it. So this is marked as 2170 on the mountain bike project. It says road 1009. Still running. This is going to take us down into Dirt Surfer. I think I'm going to stop here and get ready. All right, air's been let out of the tires. Now we're rocking. Here we go, Dirt Surfer. Here we go, dirt surfer. 170. Oh boy, gonna be wet, huh? Ah! My eyes are watering today. It's a little slick still, it rained today. Tomorrow it's gonna be perfect. Woo! Did I miss it? Alright, I think this is still it. Alright, we're still running. At this intersection, you stay to the left. Alright, here we go, keep going. To the left, to the left. Pretty mellow trail up here. I thought there was a little bit more downhill component. Still a good little flow trail. That's fun. Oh, that almost got me the other day. Tomorrow. I hope this is still running. It's a good run. Oh, oh, a little slick through those turns. Oh, almost again. All right, good stuff. Nice. All right, we came to a little intersection here again. That over there is 170. That'll take you to the Benz Hill staging area. This sign here is labeled Dirt Surfer 172. We're almost through the end of this. I think this will put us back out in that weird intersection. Then we make our way to Three Blind Mice. After that rain. All right, here we go. The road we climbed on, straight across on the 160. Big puddle. Oh, almost. All right, we're back in this four-way intersection. This is the way we're going down to Three Blind Mice, the 140. That way is the 160. That's actually the way we took up. All right, hopping on the 140 back to Three Blind Mice. Some tight turns in here to start. Oh man, my brakes are not doing the best. I guess quiet. That back tire skid. Howdy.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Good.
Alright, still on the 140. We're going to Three Blind Mice. Yo. Whoa! Hit that one a little long. That was sketchy. Ah, skipping these bottom ones. Don't have enough speed ever. Well, these two I do. They're just sketchy. Alright, take a left here to 140. It's the connector trail. And then another right. This is the 140, I believe. Ooh, it's wet. Ooh, it's wet. All right. A little better now. Here we go. Oh, yeah. Ooh. Jump. Nice. Big puddle. Can we get around it? Oh, yeah. Skirt. Uh-oh, tree. More puddles. Right through that one. Oh, yeah. The good stuff. Expert level. Now they're trail split, you just stay straight. Oh, slip there. Stay to the left, there's a trail split back there. Oh, a little sketchy on these turns with the water. Come to a road crossing, keep going straight. Ooh, dirt in the mouth. Should have prepared. Oh yeah, it's wet. All right, a little downhill.